opened up the large brown envelope, and it was full of smaller white envelopes. And these were all letters. They were all addressed to Liddell Allen Bonner. They're all written to her, obviously, in the last year of her life. And I thought that I was dreaming. I really was waiting to wake up.
Mark is one step closer to solving the mystery, as he's about to discover the shocking truth of Miss Liddell Allen.
Smacking crunchy chips, masterful almond biscotti, mouth-watering gulab jamuns. Ever wondered how they always taste so delicious? From raw materials to finished products, we reveal the wonders of how your favorite delights are really made. Food Factory, every night at 8, only on the Discovery Channel.
This program is brought to you by Honda Car.